Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript and promise async-await. First, we are going to see about promises. Promises are objects representing the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. They are a cleaner alternative to callback functions for handling asynchronous code. Example with promises. I will just show you the code how you can create promises. Function fetch data, promise string, return new promise, resolve, reject. Here I am going to use a set timeout, resolve data fetched successfully, and then I will give you 2000 as time. Next, fetch data dot, then I am using promises data console log data. In case any error we can catch. For that, dot catch error console.log error. Now if I save this, like this, we can use promises. Next, I am going to show you the code for async-await. The async function enables you to write promise-based code as if were synchronous, making your code cleaner and easier to read. Example with async-await. For that, async function fetch data, promise string, return new promise, resolve reject, resolve reject, return new promise, resolve reject. Here I am going to set timeout, here resolve data fetched successfully. Next I am going to call the function for that async function get data. Here I am going to use try catch const data equal to await fetch data const data equal to await fetch data, and then I'm going to console log data. In catch, if in case any error, I'm going to console log error, and I'm going to call the get data function. Get data. Like this, the promises and async-await are powerful tools for handling asynchronous code in TypeScript. Promises allows you to work with asynchronous operation in more structured way, while async or await provide a more concise syntax for working with promises. Thank you.